Good morning, dear students of grade 5. This is the second lecture of the 5th week. Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start the second chapter of our book, Data Devices. A computer performs various operations with the help of different data devices. All of them deal with data in some way or the other. All these devices are together called peripherals. Computer peripherals are devices that are connected to a computer, but is not part of the core computer and usually connected to their system externally. There are three general types of peripheral devices. Number 1, input devices. Number 2, output devices. And third is storage devices. The topic today we are going to discuss is input devices. An input device is any hardware device through which data and instructions are fed into the computer. An input device converts data and instructions into electrical signals that can be recognized by the computer. Some input devices are used to enter data directly into the computer, like keyboard. Others, called pointing devices, are used to point and select options on their monitor screen like a mouse. The most commonly used or primary input devices on a computer are the keyboard and mouse. However, dozens of other devices can also be used to input data into the computer. As you are well aware of many devices like keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, so in today's lecture we will explore two new input devices, which are graphics tablet and touch screen. Graphics tablet, also called a drawing tablet or a pen tablet. A graphics tablet is a natural input device that converts information from a handheld stylus. The user uses the stylus as a pen, pencil, or paintbrush, pressing its tip on the tablet surface. The device can also be used in replacement of a computer mouse. Pictured is an example of a graphics tablet and stylus, similar to an artist's drawing, with a pencil and paper. A user draws on the graphics tablet with a stylus. The computer will convert the drawing strokes into digital form, displaying them on the computer screen. Graphic tablets are commonly used by artists, illustrators, and graphic designers. A touch screen is a display device that allows the user to interact with a computer by using their finger or stylus. They can be a useful alternative to a mouse or keyboard for navigating. A graphical user interface. Touch screens are used on a variety of devices, such as computer and laptop displays, smartphones, tablets, cash registers, and ATMs. Often you saw touch screens in the hospitals, airport terminals, and railway stations. That's all for today's lecture. Hope that you have learned some interesting facts about the devices. Let's conclude the topic with the help of the two parts of the question given in the exercise. And the question is, how does a touch screen differ from a graphics tablet? Which is the most useful mechanism? Why? Student, mention the answer of the question neatly in the notebooks after making title page of the lesson and submit in your Google Classroom for checking. Thank you. Have a nice day.